Hello there everyone, my name is Nasrallo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Bitcoin is going down, look at it, it's dropping like crazy. So in this video I want to talk to you about the price targets, what we can expect. Is this the bottom? Are we going lower? Should you expect Bitcoin to go lower? Should you sell your Bitcoin right now? Or is it actually the time to buy? So if all of that sounds great, I'm going to also talk about my trades and what happened to my short trade, etc. And yeah, if you're brand new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and also hit that like button, because every time when I see huge support from my community, it motivates me to wake up, to see amount of likes, amount of amazing comments, amount of comments from people who are making money from my analysis, which is absolutely incredible. And then it motivates me to create new content. So always just leave a like. Thank you very much in advance, and let's just jump right into it. There's one article that I wanted to take a look at, and that is that Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano are plummeting, and why is crypto crashing today? So basically this is a very recent article, and here they're talking about nothing more than crypto is being influenced by macroeconomic factors, blah, 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 and that they're very correlated with high-tech stocks like NASDAQ in general, the index. And it's also, as they say here, which is quite interesting, it's also possible that investors are exercising caution leading up to the merge. The Ethereum merge is an extremely large event, which is coming in about a week from now, and is likely to have a huge impact on crypto prices. A successful merge can lead to bullish movement. However, issues with Ethereum after the merge could be catastrophic to the market, and that's oftentimes the case, you know, buy the news, buy the rumors and sell the news kind of a situation as well here. So this is a very important time, and I think that this is, and people don't realize this, that the merge of Ethereum, it's not just about Ethereum, it's just about scaling of the whole crypto industry as a whole. And if it's gonna fail, it's gonna be painful for the whole industry, not just Ethereum. So that's why I think it's true that a lot of investors are exercising caution here. And also very important to note that very important upcoming events that's going to bring a lot of volatility is going to be the CPI data, which is going to be on the 13th of September, and good CPI data can be a blessing for the crypto market. However, the market will also look to pick up the Fed's intent from several key speeches lined up this week. So there are more very important speeches coming up as well. So make sure to watch those as well, because right now the inflation, even though we potentially saw the peak inflation, it still is very far away from the target of 2%. Okay, so let's get to the price. And we've seen finally, let's go to this chart right here. We finally saw, you know, this prolonged consolidation, and I told you that a huge move is coming. And if you don't call me Mr. Spot On right now down in the comments, then I don't know what to tell you, because certainly it was a little bit longer. I was expecting for it to move from here, but it went up into my no loss area again, and I was very tempted, but the 4-hour didn't even close up there, so we got pushed back down. There was a lot of volume happening here, a lot of fighting. Then we finally crashed down, and I didn't close my short trade, and I currently have over on Bybit $16,000 racking in profits, which is absolutely crazy, guys and girls. If you want to be trading yourself, longing, shorting Bitcoin, you can do it over on Bybit or over on BitGet. And with my exclusive links down in a pinned comment or in the description of this video, you can find up to $12,100, and that's right, $12,100 in initial deposit bonuses if you only use my links down below. $4,100 with Bybit, and up to $8,000 over on BitGet. And also you're getting these bonuses with BitGet only if you're gonna use my link to sign up with BitGet. If you're gonna go directly to BitGet or Bybit, you're not gonna get shit. So that's the reason why you gotta use those links. And you also get my super incredible crypto course for free if you deposit more than $500 with BitGet. So, and yeah, right now this is the current situation with my trade. It's still there, and I'm gonna tell you about my target in just a second as well. And just in general, guys, if you want to be trading like this and you don't want to depend on some YouTuber somewhere on the internet, and you have to be trading like this yourself, you have to be able to control these trades yourself and analyze the macro sentiment, the major trend, and analyze the technicals in a short-term perspective, long-term perspective, and then make the right calls, because oftentimes one small mistake can make you lose money or not make a lot of money. So if you want to learn how to do these things, go to offer.thomaskrallo.com right now and become one of my official students at my certified and accredited trading learning programs, where you learn all of this, my whole strategy, and you can take these kinds of profits yourself. I don't know what the hell you're waiting for, but this is the time. You go down below. There's also a link down in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you become one of my students. Well, otherwise, enjoy trading with your own knowledge, so to speak. Okay, so we have two different charts to take a look at. Chart number one is this one, and this is going to tell us very much about the current targets that we've actually, now let's go to 4 hour. We've been in this vicinity right here for quite some time, and we got actually squeezed in between 20k, which is just a psychological level, and also 19,600, the loss of which we just lost, to be honest, and that's quite bad. You know why that's bad? Because if we're gonna go to this chart, which looks ridiculous, I know, but all of every single level here is very important and very relevant, even though it might seem like it's not. So, and we're gonna see that this is actually right here. That's where this is from, the green one. So 19,600 something. This is the previous all-time high from the previous cycle. So that's why it was so damn important, and that's why it was holding us up so precisely, and that's why proper technical analysis works so well, and that's one of 10 things that I teach at my trading learning programs. That's why, again, offer.thomascarlisle.com, get one of those last seats at a 50% discount. That's why you have to go to offer. That's a secret landing page with a recession offer of minus 50%. So, and this is also, you know, spectacular scalp trades with very short expectations and super tiny stop losses as well. So this is something I don't currently take. I made probably a few million from these kinds of active trades in my 9-year career as a trader, but right now I'm just taking bigger ones. I'm opening businesses, investing money, etc. So I'm not taking these small trades, unfortunately, even though it's a lot of fun. But it's possible to make money in the, you know, you can always use this lens, so to speak. You can always zoom into a 15-minute chart and you'll find a bunch of, look at this, you'll find a bunch of tradable setups. If you want to be a swing trader, you go to 4 hour, you do a similar analysis. You want to be a bigger trader, I don't know, you can even do this in the weekly chart. And this is the trick. This is adapting to the market conditions and your own trading style, your own psychology, etc. And this is what I teach, and this is what I preach, and this is what I love, and this is what made me a wealthy man. So, and right now our target basically is here, which we just broke actually, which was about $19,000. So, and this is what the target number one. So this is a good time, guys and girls, to take at least some profits, in my personal humble opinion. So this is a great point to at least, you know, either pull up your stop into profit. So if we're gonna move up and recover in a V-shaped recovery style, which is always possible, but it's always very difficult to predict like each single move. So that's why we can always protect ourselves and at least place your stop into no loss, or at least close a portion of your short trade just to be on a safe side. Now our next target currently, and I don't really think that we're gonna just, it's possible, and I would really love to see it because I still have my full $250,000 short trade, but I'm not really seeing us to just keep plummeting down to the next target of about $17,500, which is the local low. I'm thinking that there's potentially is going to be some kind of a recovery, maybe even a retest of this, then we can do something here again, and then maybe move lower. So for that reason, I'm saying that it's probably a good point to put the stop loss into profit, or maybe even close a portion of the trade. Because again, we oftentimes are expecting the price to keep moving down, but we've seen this, that we've already been moving quite rapidly from all the way from $25,000 in almost a straight line with some breaks in between. So just expecting it to keep plummeting, I don't really see that. So we could see some kind of a recovery first or slowdown. Therefore, I'm saying that we have to trade with caution here. Now, the next target is obviously 17,600, which I think is going to be a very major one. I don't think that we're gonna really break it easily going downward. So this is going to be definitely, if we were gonna reach this target, definitely take more profits or move your stop loss even lower. And well, obviously we have to also entertain the worst case scenario, which is going to be this one right here. So if we're gonna lose these levels, and we've just lost obviously this mega important support, unfortunately, which was formed since 2015. But I told you guys, macroeconomics are predominant right now until Fed is gonna turn the money printer on, which is gonna happen God knows when. Nothing is going to change, and these kinds of models are going to be broken. I told you this before. So hopefully you didn't listen to those moon boys over on YouTube. So our next target is going to be probably in the vicinity of around 14 to $16,000 is going to be the ultimate target. And the big question is, should you sell your Bitcoin? Me personally, I'm not selling any Bitcoin. I will never sell any Bitcoin in the next 5 years at least. I really want to ride the next wave, and right now is the best time to accumulate. And my next accumulation area is going to be in the vicinity of about $15,000. So $14,000 to $16,000 is when I'm going to be breaking out probably hundreds of thousands of dollars that I have saved up in USDT, well, part of it, of course, and I'm going to be deploying in the market. So here is a course to crypto that you can check out. Remember, all the links to all the insane bonuses down below. Make some noise down in the comments for Mr. Spot On, because we are back in business. Look at these incredible profits, just so amazing to see. And congratulations to all of you, my followers, my fans, my YouTube family who's been making money together with me this year. Congratulations, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.